Facebook Ads for Beginners 2024 Tagalog Tutorial. What will you learn in this video? Why advertise on Facebook? All assets you're going to start advertising. How to set up your Facebook page. How to set up your business manager. How to create your first campaign. How to define your budget. How to evaluate your result. How to optimize your campaign. Kaya panoorin mo tong video to. Siguro naman ikaw yung tao na naghahanap ng learnings tungkol sa Facebook o kaya nag-uumpisa ka pa lang sa Facebook advertising. So napaka-eksakto na knowledge na gusto mong malaman tungkol sa Facebook advertising. Ito yung mga total na mga daily active users na gumagamit ng Facebook. Yung mismo active talaga, hindi kasama yung nag-login lang gumawa ng Facebook tapos iniwan, hindi ako kasama. Ang daily active users ng Facebook is overall $1.93 billion. Sunod is total ads revenue, $2.93 billion. Grabe. Average CPC, $0.97. And next, $11.54 average CPM. So, napakaraming daily active users, ads revenue ni Facebook. Kaya naman, malaking market ang Facebook guys kung may product o services ka kanya. So, konting knowledge lang tungkol sa kung paano ko siya natutunan yung Facebook before. And actually, ang Facebook advertising sa akin is nagsimula po ako is since 2017 and until now, ang binibenta ko po noon is Burn Slim na product namin dati. So far, okay naman. Sa umpisa, medyo tagilid talaga kasi first time kong gumamit ng Facebook noon is introduce lang po sa akin yung Facebook advertising. Sabi niya, mas maganda daw mag-selling online or i-sponsor natin, sabi niya. So, i-advertise sa Facebook. Kaya yun, and until now, pinag-aralan ko talaga siya kung paano siya gagawin na yung effective na gagawin tungkol sa Facebook. Pero for the sake of this tutorial, gagawin ko muna yung basic na kailangan mong malaman tungkol sa Facebook advertising. So, therefore, na pwede mong gawin, bakit kailangan mo mag-advertise on Facebook. Okay. Number 1, sell more. Sell more, generate leads, distribute content, apps install. Okay. Una, sell more. You can advertise your product or services and send people to your website to purchase. Second, generate leads. You can use Facebook adverts to collect names, emails, phone numbers, and more directly from your target customer. Distribute content. Facebook and Instagram are also the ideal place to distribute the content you create and maximize your reach. Apps install. App install. You can advertise your app on Facebook and Instagram and generate more download on it. Bakit maganda yung Facebook guys? Isang tip ko sa inyo. Ang Facebook kasi ay ina-allowed tayo na to micro-target our ideal customer based on their profile and interest. So, makikita, dyan tayo ina-allow na profile na nakalagay sa detail ng profile ng tao and interest kung ano yung sinesearch niya, kung ano yung mga ginagawa niya sa Facebook. Yan yung ibig sabihin ng interest. So, dyan ang ita-target ni Facebook. Yung micro-target niyan through our advertising. Asset you need to start Facebook advertising. Business manager. The container that holds all your business assets. Ad account, page, payment, methods, and etc. Ad account. The accounts where you create all your campaign, you can have multiple accounts per business manager. So, marami. Facebook page. The page where your ads run from. Okay? Verify domain. Facebook now requires you to verify the ownership of a domain in order to drive ads on it. Facebook pixel. The pixel is simply the piece of code you put in your website that will track all your visitors' actions for you. Create your page. So, ito. There are two types of creating your page, business or brand, community or public figure. I recommend kung may business ka or may product ka or may services ka na gusto mong i-offer o mag-create ng brand. So, I highly recommend this business or brand and community or public figure naman kung hindi siya related sa business mo. Okay. Sa mga hindi pa nakakalam kung paano gumawa ng page, so here's the step-by-step how to create your page. So, first is sign up here. Then, select the type of page you want to create. Business or brand, community, or public figure. Diba? Then, enter your business information. Then, for category, type a word or two that describes your business. And Facebook will suggest some option. Sunod, add profile and cover po kasi kailangan yan. Sunod, create your page username. So, magsasuggest naman yung Facebook dyan eh. Add your business details, descriptions, contact, locations, hours, and website. Bonus tip, dapat bago ka gagawa ng ads, kailangan ang page mo may at least 20 posts para naman ma-detect na Facebook na tunay ka o di ka scam. Ang ma-recommend ko niyan ay dapat mag-post ka ng 3 times a day sa loob ng 7 days. Then after that, pwede mong babaan ng 1 times a day na lang after ng 7 days. So para naman legit kung tingnan, di ba, yung Facebook page mo. Hindi ka diretso agad mag-run ng ads. Kasi ang mangyayari yan, posible kasi ma-disable. Marami akong narinig na nadi-disable ng account nila dahil dyan, diretso kasi nag-post na nag-advertise na. Okay? And just to make sure lang talaga na that your page is always active. Kaya siya kailangan mag-post ka muna consecutive days. Step 2, create your business manager. So this is how you create your business manager. The business manager is a tool designed to be your primary hub on Facebook to manage all your pages, ad accounts, domains, and other assets. So here you go. Take a look at this. How to create your business manager. Go to this link and click on create account and fill up the information with your real business data. Make sure you use email address as well. Next, confirm the creation of your business manager by clicking the link in your email. So check your email and click that para ma-verify ni. Step number 3, create your ad account. Next is this how you create your ad account.
Go to your Meta Business Suite, guys, then click the all tools, then click the ads manager. After that, yan po yung makikita mo. Then may nakalagay na create na green na color, then create mo dyan. Pagkatapos ay choose kung ano ang format, ano ang target goal mo ngayon. So tapos lagyan mo yan ng pangalan, 'di ba? Yan, depende sa inyo kung anong target mo, pero kung pag yan. Ganun lang kasimple, guys. Thank you.
Next is connecting your page. Then sunod is add a payment method. Next is verifying your domain. How to verify your domain? Kung may website ka, mas okay to. Pero kung nagsisimula ka pa lang at wala ka pang website, pwede mong skip to, 'di ba? Kung wala ka pang domain. Pero kung highly recommended, mas maganda na may domain ka, may website ka para malagyan mo siya dito. Pero now I show you naman kung paano siya maglagay ng domain, o kung paano mag-verify ng domain. So go to your business setting inside of Business Manager and click on the domain tab. Click add new domain, choose the DNS verification options and copy the code provided. Now, log into your domain registrar and visit the DNS setting page. Add a new DNS record of type txt, enter a @ symbol in the hostname field if required. In the content field, you can paste the verification txt record provided in the Business Manager. Next is return to the Business Manager and click verify. So that is a simple, okay? Step number 7, creating your Facebook pixel. Creating your Facebook pixel, go to your Events Manager inside your Business Manager, okay? Click Connect Data Sources and select Web. Select Facebook Pixel and click Connect and add your pixel name. Add your website URL to check easy setup options. Click Continue. So ito yun kung mayroon ka ng website, so mas maganda na i-connect mo yung Facebook pixel mo dito. Okay? Continue. Step number 8, creating your campaign. Bago dyan, there are 3 layers of campaign para mas maintindihan mo siya ng mabuti. Ito yung una, campaign. It is a primary advertising goal. For example, dito mo makikita yung post engagement, like leads, ganun. Dito mo makikita. Sunod is ad set, daily parting budget, leads, targeting, and placement. So dito ka set ng target budget mo, add copy, image, link, call to action, and videos. And bonus tip, ang madalas kong ginagawa ay isang campaign lang per offer para hindi magulo. I also like to set campaign just for testing and campaign just for prospecting. At analyze kung alin sa kanila ang effective tapos create ng mas better to hit the target. How to create your ads? Depende kung anong products or business na ginagawa. Depende. Kaya nga may tinatawag tayo nagte-test ng ads. Te-test natin siya kung alin ang mas better at gagana ng maayos, yung mataas yung average or ROAS. Choosing your ad format. Single image ads. Ito yun. A simple ad with an image creative. This is the most used type of ads that usually see running on your news feeds. Video ads. Video ads are by for our best performing ads. Mas maganda to. There is no limit on how long your video can be and you can take advantage on it to convey emotion and actually show your product's benefits in use case in practice. The tricks of making video ads works are having a strong hook at the beginning to grab the people's attentions, having a dynamic video to actually keep people watching, and having strong call to action at the end. Next is Facebook carousel ad. They are great to showcase multiple products you have, creating a slide presentation of your services or even your content. These usually get higher CPM, so you really have to test whether they are worth running or not in your case. And next is collection ads. With collection, you can take advantage of Facebook Instant Experience feature. The great advantage of this type of ads is that they take more screen real estate than the regular ad, so they tend to have higher click-through rates. Bonus tip, now you can try and test all those different formats, but at the end of the day, what really matters is the image or video itself na pinili mong gamitin sa iyong ad. There are 3 keys to creating high-performing ads. They have to stop the scroll. Ang mga ad ay kailangan maakit ng pansin hanggang sa punto na mas interesante para sa gumagamit ng huminto sa pag-scroll kaysa patuloy na pag-scroll, di ba? Ito ay nakakamit-gamit ang inyong video o larawan at dapat itong mag-trigger ng reaction mula sa user sa sandaling makita nila. They have to get the click, dapat mag-click sila. Ang mga ad ay dapat magbigay ng matibay na dahilan para mag-click ang user sa iyong website. Ang pinakamahusay na paraan upang makamit iyon ay sa pamamagitan ng pag-usisa, iwasan ang pagiging clickbait dahil tatanggihan nito ang iyong mga ad. Ngunit alamin kung paano magdagdag na sapat na kuryosidad upang makuha ang pag-click. They shouldn't look like an ad. Sa panahong ito, nabobomba tayo sa napakaraming ad na bilang default ay mayroon tayong banner blind test sa loob natin. Kaya sa sandaling makakita kami ng isang bagay na malayuang mukhang isang ad, malamang balewalain na lang namin ito. Sa isip, ang mga ad ay dapat magmukhang isang post mula sa isang kaibigan o newsfeed ng mga kwento ng user. Writing your ad copy. The key to writing ad copy on Facebook is not focusing on benefits or on making promises about the end result. Tulad ng nakikita mo sa karamihan ng mga kurso sa copywriting, yan ang kaso dito dahil kung gagawa ka ng anumang uri ng mga paghahabol sa iyong mga ad, malamang na madi-disable lang iyong account. Gusto mong panatilihin ito bilang mababang key at sa ilalim ng radar hanggat maaari. Maaari mong pag-usapan ng tungkol sa mga tampok ng iyong produkto. Ang isang pang bagay na talagang mahusay para sa amin ay ang paglalahad ng isang kwento o paggamit ng isang metaphor o analogy upang makakuha ng isang punto. But you should avoid at all costs any result-oriented claims. Health-related claims, hindi ka dapat gumamit ng mga personal na katangian ng iyong mga ad. Iwasan sa lahat ng mga gastos at pagiging clickbait o sensationalist gamit ang salita tulad ng hindi ka panipaniwala, kahanga-hanga, lihim, hindi ka paniwala at iba pa. How to define your budget? Campaign, CBO, campaign level budget, ad set, CBO. So ito yung mga matrix na price and formula ng budget natin. So here you go. Ito yung total cost per clicks and target number of clicks. So mababa per kasi to per average Facebook ads cost per 1,000 impression CPM is 158 total cost campaign o total impression. Average Facebook ads cost per leads, then total total marketing spend, total leads, duration, and campaigns. Average Facebook ads cost per engagement. The ideal minimum budget for Facebook ads depends on several factors, but I recommend starting budget can be around 282.97 pesos daily to 595.94 pesos daily. How to split your budget between campaign? 70 to 80% prospecting. This is the campaign responsible for getting results and scaling. 20 to 30% testing. This is the campaign responsible for testing new audience and creatives. Next is how to optimize your campaign. First user click and user purchase. This is the time between first click and the user purchase event. And ad set spend full. Testing budget kung ma-hit mo ba, kung na-hit mo ba yung target, did I hit your target, keep running lang natin, keep running, kill the ad set. Kung hindi naman na-hit mo yung ad set, so next ad set naman. So kung tingin mo is maayos, go. The 3 elements of our ROAS: CPC, conversion rate, average order value. Kaya guys, mas maganda talaga na mag-advertise sa umpisa is nasa stage pa tayo ng learnings para hindi naman masayang yung pera natin, ay dapat ay humanap ka ng tao na gagawa or magtuturo sa iyo ng Facebook advertising para naman ma-less yung mistake at sayang din yung pera kasi natin kapag tayo lang magmamagic ng advertising. Mas maganda na may mga nakakaalam na tungkol dito, and pwede mo akong lapitan, tanungin kung ano yung mas better or mas dig deeper na knowledge tungkol sa advertising. So pwede mo ko message dito sa Facebook page natin. See you in the next video, guys.